Laptop right here, Lenovo t560. We're gonna show you how to how to upgrade the RAM. Let me show you what it has in it, and then we'll show you how to upgrade the RAM. So let's start that. It's a pretty nice computer though. Yeah. So all right. It's almost there. Alright, almost there. Just I haven't started this computer for a while, so if you get this kind of message, you press cancel and it will take you straight to the main screen. And let me show you what's the RAM size in it already, and then I will show you how to upgrade that. So this has 4 GB RAM, so we're gonna make that to 8 GB, and I'm gonna show you how to do that step by step. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and then we'll show you. Just okay. So we're gonna shut it down first, and then first thing first, we're gonna take the battery out. So turn it around, take the battery out, 2 clips, put them to the right. Battery comes out. Next thing, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is unscrews that we need to unscrew it. Sorry. We are done with the screws. Alright, now we're gonna take the front out. You gotta be very careful because these things can break and it will make some problems for you if you do that. Alright, so that's out. Now let me show you what's it has 4 GB. Okay, so leave the 4 GB in there, and the other 4 GB is 128. Can you see that? Alright, so you put that there. Make sure it goes all the way in, and then you will hear a click noise. Same thing with the other one. Click noise. Okay? Alright, that's done. Now you put back the cover. Make sure the top part goes in first correctly. Okay. I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn it on. I'll put the screws back in. I just want to make this video short, so I'm gonna show you what we did, and then so start the computer. Okay, it's gonna take another minute again. Okay. Alright, now we'll go to the system. And if you see that, say that 8 GB RAM now. So this is all good to go. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button, and you will see more videos coming up pretty soon. And if you hit the notification, that will help also. Thank you so much. Have a good day.